Hello everybody and welcome to another Tech Minute video. My name is Tom from 6 Foot Networks and thank you for joining me in the car wash. It's a busy day for me, so I only had a few moments to shoot this and I wanted to make sure I got it done. This was the best time to do it, so I know it's weird, but I hope you bear with me. 2 days ago I put out a Tech Minute video about the CVE-2021-30807, which was for macOS and I believe iPadOS as well. They now released, and iOS of course too. They now released WatchOS 7.6.1, which solves the same issue. So if you have a WatchOS 7 watch, Apple Watch, make sure you go ahead and patch that as well as soon as possible to fix the I/O frame buffer issue that was discovered. Anyway, if you like this video, as weird as it is, give us a thumbs up. If you really like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. It really helps us grow and allows us to make more content like this for you. In the meantime, good luck and thank you for watching.